Uy, andyan na pala kayo. Welcome sa grade 5 mga kids. Handa na ba kayong matuto sa unang module ng Math 5? Tara!
Alright.
Ang pag-aaralan natin sa module 1 ay tungkol sa divisibility rules at kung paano mo ito gagamitin sa paghahanap ng common factors. Napag-aralan nyo ba ito last year nung nasa grade 4 kayo? So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Umpisahan na natin sa divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10.
1, 2, 3, come on!
But before that, let us define the terms na gagamitin natin mamaya. First, divisibility rules. Easily test if one number can be exactly divided by another number. Ibig sabihin, di na natin kailangan pa ng long division method para malaman na pwede siyang i-divide ng any number without remainder kasi exactly ang sabi. Next, divisible by. When you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number. Yung walang remainder, yun ang ibig sabihin ng divisible by. Next, factor. A number that can divide exactly a given number without any remainder. So yung number na pwedeng mag-divide sa isang number na walang remainder. So yan yung tinatawag na factor. So mag-umpisa tayo. First is divisibility rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So ang number ay pwedeng i-divide ng 2 kung nagtatapos siya sa 0, 2, 4, 6, at saka 8. Or kung nagtatapos siya sa even numbers. Example, 86 is divisible by 2 because it ends with 6. Ibig sabihin, 2 is a factor of 86. Another example, 74. Is 74 divisible by 2? Saan siya nagtatapos? Tama, sa 4. Ang 4 ba ay even number? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, ang 74 ay divisible by 2. How about, 47. It ends with 7. Kasali ba ang 7 sa even numbers? Hindi. Therefore, 47 is not divisible by 2. Let's proceed to divisibility rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. O madaling tandaan, basta nagtatapos sa 0 or 5, it can be divided by 5. For example, 365 is divisible by 5 because it ends with 5. So therefore, 5 is a factor of 365. Itong 180, is it divisible by 5? Saan siya nagtatapos? Yes, nagtatapos siya. So yes, 180 is divisible by 5 kasi lahat na nagtatapos sa 0 and 5 can be divided by 5. Ito kayang 48? Yes, 48 is not divisible by 5 because it ends with 8. Next, divisibility rule for 10. Pinakamadaling tandaan. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. Basta nagtatapos sa 0, it can be divided by 10. O di ba ang dali? For example, 620 is divisible by 10 because it ends with 0. Thus, 10 is a factor of 620. Basta nagtatapos sa 0, pwede sa 10. Oh, di ba? Ang dali. 0 lang dapat sa huli. Itong 140. Yes. How about itong 104? Is it divisible by 10? Of course, hindi. Dahil hindi siya nagtatapos sa 0. So, 104 is not divisible by 10. Now let us try what have you learned. Subukan sa inyong notebook. Draw a star under the correct column applying the divisibility rules. Susubukan natin ang 6,345. Then, you will do the rest. Okay. Can 6,345 be divided by 2? No. Because it does not end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. O hindi siya even number. Next, sa 5 naman. Can we divide it by 5? Yes, because it ends with 5. So may star na tayo dito sa 5. How about 10? Can we divide 6,345 by 10? No. Dahil sabi natin kanina, ang pwede lang i-divide ng 10 ay nagtatapos sa 0. So this number can only be divided by 5. Easy? Siyempre, madali. Ngayon, subukan yung sagutin ang natitira sa ibaba. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 30 seconds para gawin ito. Ready? Start! Time is up. I-check natin ang inyong sagot. Kamusta? Perfect ba? Di ba ang dali lang ng divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10? Basta tandaan nyo lang palagi ang rules. Nothing can go wrong. Di ba?
1, 2, 3, come on!
So bilang pagpapatuloy, basahin nyo at i-analyze ang susunod na sitwasyon. This time, ituturo ko sa inyo kung papaano gagamitin ang divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10 para isolve ang problem na ito sa pamamagitan ng common factors of numbers. Makinig ng mabuti. The logs of woods have the following lengths: 25, 50, and 61 meters respectively. Now, Mang Jose needs to have blocks of woods that are 5 meters long each. So, kailangan ang pipiliin nating logs of woods ay divisible by 5. Tandaan, divisible by 5 dahil gusto niya na 5 meters long ang bawat blocks. Ayaw niya na merong labis, ayaw na din na merong kulang. So, alin sa tatlong logs ang divisible by 5? Sa 25, 50, and 61? Yes, of course, 25 and 50. Because these numbers ends with 5 or 0. Kung matatandaan nyo, ang divisibility rules for 5, kailangan nagtatapos siya sa 5 o kaya 0. Kaya napili natin ang 25 at 50. So therefore, Mang Jose should choose the two logs which measure 25 meters and 50 meters, since this will give him an equally sized blocks of wood without any excess o walang labis o kulang. O di ba ang dali? Subukan natin ito. Example number 1, 46 and 38. First, find the divisibility of 46. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, dahil nagtatapos siya sa 6. How about 5? No, dahil pwede lang sa 5 ay nagtatapos sa 0 at 5. How about by 10? Of course not, dahil ang 46 ay nagtatapos sa 6. Ang pwede lang sa 10 ay yung nagtatapos sa 0. So, 46 is divisible by 2. Next, find the divisibility of 38. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. How about 5? No. By 10? No. So, 38 is also divisible by 2. Therefore, the common factor of 46 and 38 is 2. Example number 2, 65 and 50. Find the divisibility of 65. Is it divisible by 2? No, because it ends with 5, and 5 is not an even number. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, because it ends with 5. How about by 10? Can we divide it by 10? No, because it ends with 5, not with 0. So, 65 is divisible by 5. Step 2. Find the divisibility of 50. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because it ends with 0. How about by 5? Yes, it can also be divided by 5 because 5 can divide any number that ends with 0 and 5. How about by 10? Of course, we can divide it by 10 because it ends with 0. So, 50 is divisible by 2, 5, and 10. Now, which is common between the factors of 65 and 50? Or ano ang meron sa kanila pareho? Yes, 5. Therefore, the common factor of 65 and 50 is 5. Example number 3, 80 and 30. Step 1. Find the divisibility of 80. Can 80 be divided by 2? Yes, because it ends with 0. Can it be divided by 5? Yes, it can also be divided by 5 because 5 can divide any number that ends with 0 or 5. How about by 10? Yes, because it ends with 0. So, 80 is divisible by 2, 5, and 10. Step 2. Find the divisibility of 30. Can 30 be divided by 2? Yes, because 30 ends with 0. How about by 5? Yes, it can also be divided by 5. How about by 10? Of course, it can be divided by 10. So 30 is divisible by 2, 5, and 10. So anong napansin nyo? Both 80 and 30 can be divided by 2, 5, and 10. Therefore, the common factors of 80 and 30 is 2, 5, and 10. Now, try to do this in your notebook. Write the common factor or factors using the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Gawin nyo ito sa loob ng 1 minuto. Kaya ba? Siyempre, kaya yan. Handa na ba kayo? Okay. Start! Time is up. Let us check. Nakakuha ba kayo ng perfect score? Ang dali, di ba? Kung di man na perfect, huwag mag-alala. Balikan mo lang ang videong ito. At kung meron mang hindi maintindihan sa module, panoorin mo lang uli ang video na ito. Kahit nga makailang ulit mo itong panoorin. Practice makes perfect, di ba? So paano? Kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video? Mag-comment lang kayo kung gusto nyo pang merong kasunod ang videong ito. Diyan sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Ito ulit ang inyong Sir Nats. Next week ulit. Paalam.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도